Hakasin ke beningkong UMLA ke Mawlai konstitwensi Bah PT Sawkmie ulapoi Leit Jngoh ia kisistar ke shong basah Mary Immaculate Convent ke badan Mawlai Mawroh hynnin sngi Palei kakhat khandai tarik unai wing Leit Jngoh jong la snlan lang da Rangbah Shnong ke Mawlai Mawroh Bah Peter Lamare Rangbah Balang bat kiwei kani ke Leit Jngoh kala jalong hadien ke jingud jingnam jong sister ke shong basah hangne halor ke jingeh hakhmat ke jingim kilamat kata halor ko di kaba kimsim na yo hokshu hakini ke sngi ke benai ke balaleng haswa program lingkot bakila pelong kerpang ban pediang burom ya UMLA kathan kila jurip ya ketop ke badan hakani ke cakam habakran nakani ke sngi Bah PT Sawkmie ulapen pau ya ke jingkemen bula yo banyu kecat banyak kendu ya ke sister ke Mary Immaculate Convent halor ko ulakular bo sale ya ke badan kam ulak kerpat ru ya ki nang ni sedien habakidon kanu ke jingeh kin fun ban pentip yo khnang bo la ban le ya ke badan kam.
God will bless you and will be with you, and I'm sure whatever you have in your mind, in your mentality, that you will be a good servant of the Lord Jesus. I'm sure that God will be with you, will bless you whatever you have in your mind, because in this world we have our own talent. This is the talent that God has given. I used to say from time to time that God has sent you and I in this world with his own purpose. This is the purpose that God has sent to me. That I should see and care for the needy, and also for the development of country, the states of all. Then we have for Rangbah Shnong, he's a government servant. Then Rangbah Balang is a government servant. Others, you have his own. There are some business people, and yourself, you have in this. I may say that God has given you in a very special talent that you will pray for the world. God will bless you. The kublesh pun nak benta jongi, kajiwan jonga ni kapuan benta. Kiwei nak benta kajik kapam nak yang sister superior bagi sister ban kendu. Nak benta ka jinam ka badai nak benta ka Dan ka Rangbah Shnong dekat bai Rangbah Balang. Jadi Sawkmie nak yang jong Mawlai Mawroh ka kitkhia nam tak Shnong ka thau. But kumjud nak yang jong Catholic Managing Committee. Catholic Managing Committee they are very heartful, so to say. They are working so hard, not only for the locality, even to take care of all those who are needed for the help of the daughter. They are so kind of them. I'm sure that all of you should pray for them in a very special way, and you give a good heart, so they can serve better in the days, in the years to come. The kublesh pun nak ni gerang bak jungi ibalai Kristam.
Haswa kani nakaliang sister superior plesina lingdo ila ai khuble bat penpau ya kajing songo ya UMLA ubalas ngap basah skor ya kajing jongki hakapau la poi sundan dakamet ban wan Jngoh bat jurep ya kajing dongkam ila ongru ba kajing wan Jngoh jong UMLA ka penpau ya kajing ba kajing long laklo jong ban simkhia ya kakam bat ila kitbok ya UMLA ba unang la ban sakri khambha ya kathan
iso komen hadu kata bai ba UMLA ba ijongi ila pelat por kenang-kenang tah pada gini kendiat sengi ila leje kendui rei ila kular banwan badila pun urlong ya kata kecing kular kejong banwan hangne bandon dekat bangi banyak sengai kejingut jingnam kejongi kumukpa jongka ye kesamban yo ye kejing nakam de pun piropi ngap kata kejingut jingnam jongi pai kiba shong apa kejing sumar kejong apa kan dekat konstitwensi jong ke Mawlai Palei pun ba lawan ni bangila pada pi banwan bangi dan kame kepada kame kedai ka kepada ka jingim jongi tam ka im laban im takadang Leit sepi ban bat ka Jingiarap na pedeng pi hakhmat pi ban ai ka Jingiarap ban pen ia ke ke bekut ke besngur nak pentaban penerkam ke pamkedi ke jongi nak ke jenarkam nak ke ikasan jongi de kesangu sukun kene ke jing wan yopi ban pau ke ta ke jing sumar ke jing dan rukat pi ban gi bat ke jing sngau jopi ke jing narkam jongi iba dan po ke jing sumar ke jing pe jopi de sukun ba lawan pet mihi bat Palei ke jenarkam jongi bat yang sapan pau split ya ke jenarkam hantam ban yo eka filter nak filter bangi dan kam ban nilai ke filter jo ka burwell ke bangin kom ban penjuru ke selap ke bangi dom nak ni ke tenumi ke jongi man bakin laban penodkam ke bam kedi ban ke jendam haka sum ke side kan jendam ke yengesem
Kumban chupen kemau, ka Mary Immaculate Convent ka deka jakasa jong sister ki bidang kumbah nriu pau hadu nyo pongot iei ki ba sya hikai kumbah asnam bat onda lakut ka jing sya hikai ki leipat syala ki jong ki province ne ki jaka bakisa ha ka ne ka sngi layo ru ya ka jingkran na Rangbah Shnong ka Mawlai Mawroh.
She was a good